तो nowadays most of the programs I do in corporates में बहुत ऑप्शंस आते हैं. I do asset allocation game वो सब होता है. So in between बहुत लोग पूछते हैं कि सर why not क्रिप्टो में इतना अच्छा रिटर्न है. तो I told मैं सबको पूछता हूँ कि घर में गांजा लगाते हो या तुलसी लगाते हो. गांजा लगाओ जल्दी बड़ा होगा. But do you put that? So this is when you ask questions, when the people ask questions, you have to ask questions which they connect to. ठीक है. तो अभी यहाँ आपको ब्रिज दिख रहा है. Can you see the bridge? Okay. So this bridge, okay, can you just guess कि कहाँ का है? हमको टाइम नहीं है इसलिए, but I would have told कि I would have taken lot of प्राइस भी देता था. ओके, ईच कलर का एक कलर वाले एक बता दो कहाँ का है. हाँ, पेरिस नहीं, ग्रीन इंडिया का लग रहा है. नाम तो बताओ यार, कौन सा है? इंडिया का नहीं है. ओके. हाँ, ब्रिज कैलिफोर्निया नहीं, रॉन्ग. नेक्स्ट, वाइट, यही नहीं है, रियल ब्रिज है. दिस इज ए रियल ब्रिज, इट्स नॉट ए फेक ब्रिज. हाँ, नाउ आंसर ए वाइट ग्रुप. हाँ, लंदन नहीं, येलो ग्रुप, हमारा ग्रुप. नाक मत कटाओ यार. हाँ, ओके, he knows but he can't answer because he was in the Bangalore event which I did. Okay, so this bridge, okay, be very careful. ये आप स्टोरी यूज कर सकते हो इन्वेस्टर के साथ. मैं जहां भी यूज करता हूं, even I did just a session around 20 days back for a company called 7-Eleven. अब जहाँ थाईलैंड, सिंगापुर, when you go, there is this shop called 7-Eleven. उनका ऑफिस बैंगलोर में है. I did this session and all attendees were below 30 years. All attendees were below 30 years. There were 600 people. 600 people. So asset allocation game was a super success there. And this question also I asked them. No one could answer. I told them to check with Google. They could not. ये ब्रिज आता है in Honduras. You heard about this country name? Honduras में एक ब्रिज बनाया था. And they had a river. In that river, they wanted a bridge which they felt should never ever flop. वो ब्रिज गिरना ही नहीं चाहिए. Whatever happens, it should not fall. So they got the best of engineers from Japan, best of engineers from Korea, best of engineers from US, across the world, and built the bridge. Right? And when they built the bridge, this bridge became the most visited bridge in the world. Right? Then something happened. Something happened. What happened? Honduras is a place where cyclone, hurricane keeps happening. When that hurricane hit the Honduras, it hit for 4 continuous days. 4 दिन लगातार आया. And when it hit, इतना आया, जो ब्रिज बना था, जो अंदर रिवर था, the river itself changed the course. Next photo जाओ यार. The river itself changed the course. And what happened? ये ब्रिज था ना, you can just see, maybe it is very small. You can just see, ये river है, लेकिन अभी river कहाँ है? It is next to a bridge. This bridge became a bridge to nowhere. This bridge is famous when you type in Google, bridge to nowhere. This is the bridge. So the best of the bridge, it is designed to last for 500 years. But क्या फायदा? What is the use? So I tell direct investors, आपने best of the stock लिया होगा, best of the 5-star funds लिया होगा, लेकिन if it is not ready for COVID, then what's the use? If it is not ready for a third term of Modi with less number of seats, then what's the use? This is what the stories which we should use. And when you use these stories and you tell them, they will understand and listen to you. These are the stories which you should ask, and they should not be knowing these kind of stories. Stories वो ढूंढना चाहिए जो normally they would not have heard. Right? I told you there is one country which is landlocked. Landlocked क्या है? चारों जगह land है, पानी नहीं है. But that country has got a navy. That country has got a navy. पानी ही नहीं है, but they have got a navy. Can you believe that? And that navy is there since 45 years. Since 45 years. That country name is Bolivia. Right? So why they have got a navy? Because Bolivia and Peru, they had a war. and Bolivia lost the war. उस war में they lost the area where the sea was there. तो अभी वो landlocked country हो गया. But Bolivia still thinks that one day we will have a war, and that day we will win the bridge, we will win the sea, and that day we will need the navy. Are they not wasting money for 44 years? Are they not wasting? So who knows that they are wasting? One war outside. वो जो अंदर है उनको लगता है हम सही कर रहे हैं, because one day we may win. But one who is outside knows that they have made a mistake. तो same thing will happen with investors, because they think हम जो कर रहे हैं सही है, but one who are outside, जो हम में बाहर, we know that. And this is not just for the investors, this is for the advisors. आप लोगों के लिए भी, because you think you have given the best funds, but they now made the best funds. You check with your friends, you check whether you are giving the best funds. Because हमको father नहीं है, we don't have a boss. For us, our friends are boss. So volatility coach is the boss for us. So learn from each other. I told Mananam, Shravanam में Mananam है ना, volatility coach is the Mananam. Use it and then you do the Nidhi Dhyasanam. That's how you zoom your AVM. Thank you very much.